Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. We just got a Boxycharm box. I don't know what box this is. I have not even slit the tape. So let's slit the tape and see what one it is. It's red inside, which is usually base. Treat your heart out is what this says. Nothing on the back. Epic news is coming. We've got something epic in the works and can't wait to tell you all about it. Follow us on Insta and get excited for the biggest beauty news of the year. God knows what that is. Let me take out some stuff in here. I don't know what that is. This is, I have my phone, so I can at least tell you what my products were, but for me, this looks like Premium. So Premium is $39.99 a month, plus $1.99 shipping and handling. I also pay tax in the state I live in. If everybody's tax is different. 6 full-size beauty products, customized 2 of the items, so I have what I chose as my products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is, which I can't even go there with Ipsy and Boxy today. I have a Refreshments Velvet Body Cream. This is unscented. This is 8 fluid ounces, pretty big. Not something I really want in my box, personally. If I want Refreshments, I'll buy them, and I think that's why they're putting them in boxes, because nobody's buying them, personally. I have this product here, and without a card, I don't have any prices. This is from Beauty Bakerie. This is one of my choices, the Butter Hydra Silk Primer. Okay, it is sealed. Let's see what we got here. Let's just trash that box. Oops. Oh, how adorable. Right there. Look at the side. It's like a stick of butter. Like the outer paper. That is so cute. Great theming. Oh, it's like a bomb. Right there. Has, I don't know if you guys can see that, a little bit of a pink hue to it. No scent, which is nice. That, and let's put that back on right. That is adorable. Love it. Let me see what that feels like. Definitely a pink hue, but that could be good. Pink, like a rose, a light pink is good for under your eyes to help hide stuff. That feels nice, I'm not going to lie. There. Let's see what's in this package. How do you open? How do you open? Okay, let's see what's in here. Man, oh man, do I have a story to tell about Ipsy. And I think I'm going to save that for its own little video, because I am, like, I can't even describe what I feel. Dose of colors. This says lock and key. Are you just like a single shadow? To be getting in a premium? And that's what that looks like. This does not belong in a premium, as far as I'm concerned. Yeah, it has a mirror. That looks like a glitter, not even a shimmer. I'm not going to touch it. I probably won't use that, but that does not belong in a premium box. One color. The other item I chose is here. Is right here. And this is from Eliose. This is Secret Garden 3D Blush and Go palette. Right? Blush and Glow, not Go. I cannot even speak today. Pretty looking palette. Ooh, that is not what I expected, but I'm excited to try this. I think you would have to definitely use a light hand on these. They look pigmented. They do have, just trying to, 3 of them have a little bit of shimmer, and then this top one does not right here, but they look really nice. Is there a protective shield? Yes. I like when they have that. That's interesting. I'm excited for that, to give that a try. Like I said, I think you'd have to go super light-handed with that. So they're the 2 things that I chose. Let's get my phone out of the way. This here from Ace Beauty, Pout Perfect Liquid Lipstick. I am so sorry. I cannot even speak today. And this says Manifest. How does this open? Ooh. Check that packaging out and presentation. Wow. Nice job. How do you get it out? It's going to be tricky to get it out. Oh no, it comes right out. Wow, that is nice. Look at this. Wow. There's like little crystals on the top. I don't know how this opens. Oh, twists off the top. I will swatch it. Wow, that is beautiful. Look at the size of that wand. Definitely a matte, which I'm fine with. No scent right there. Beautiful. Perfect shade for me. Oh my goodness. I think that is a stunning presentation right there. Beautiful. Wow. Okay, I'm excited for that. And the last thing in here, which I'm confused about, I don't remember seeing this, from Ciate London, the Royal Edition. Unless this is new, I don't remember seeing this anywhere. I'm not unhappy with it. I hope it's like a decent palette that I can use it. And it, you know, looks the same. Let me get a little sneak peek here. Ooh. Protective shield. Oh, this is really, really pretty. Beautiful mirror, which I will block. Beautiful palette. Look at that. I think it's pretty much all-inclusive. Where did I put that shield? Right here. Wow, that is really pretty. Blues and some reds and burgundies, peach neutrals, shimmers, maybe one glitter browns, silvers, one green, which is a little odd just to have one green. Neat, like a royal blue, and then they have a lighter blue. Ooh, that I'm excited for that. I think I will keep that. That looks like a nice, interesting palette. Overall, for premium, the palette is wonderful, wonderful. I'm excited for the blush palette, so that's 3. This is beyond adorable. Beauty Bakerie always does really nice packaging, and whoever thinks this stuff up, kudos. That's wonderful. This does not belong in a premium, maybe in a base or even Ipsy, but not a premium box that you're paying, you know, 42, I think I'm like $43, something like that. And this clearly does not belong in our boxes. Stop, Ipsy. Stop making this stuff. Nobody wants it. I mean, I don't need an unscented body cream. I mean, it won't go to waste. If I don't use it, I will share it. But I really don't want that kind of stuff in my boxes. Period. So that is my Boxy Premium for February 2023. Not so much a Valentine theme, but it says treat your heart out. And we'll have to wait and see what their wonderful news is, because I'm just not feeling it with Boxy and Ipsy. And it's not so much the Boxy side, it's the Ipsy side for me. So I am going to be filming a video. Probably won't come out until next week, I think. I think next week, or maybe I'll put that out on Sunday rather than take a slot for a normal box. But my experience with Ipsy, with the Glam Bag X, is horrific. Absolutely horrific. So I am going to film a video about it and share my experience, because I'm not the only one that is going through this. I am sure many others. Up to this point, I haven't had major issues with Ipsy. This is a big one for me. And they went from like this with me to like all the way down to a 0. You know, at some point, yeah, they were up high on my list, but I would actually score them in a negative for this. Maybe not for my plus and my Glam Bag, because I still do enjoy them, but I will never get Glam Bag X again. I will not get the edit. I have points. I'm using them up to get wipes, face wipes, and whatever, just to be done with it. I'm going to actually close one of my accounts. I have 2 accounts with Ipsy. And just keep my Glam Bag and Plus and just keep it moving. I'll still get my PR. I did notify my Ipsy Open Studios contact that the account that is tied to my Ipsy Open Studios will no longer have any product under it, that I do have a secondary account where I do get paid bags, just in case that's an issue, which I don't think it is, but I did make them aware of the problem I'm having. And so I will share that in a separate video, because I do think that more of us that are having issues need to talk about it and let everyone know. So thanks for watching my Boxycharm Premium. Not horrible. I would say if I had to scale 0 to 10, I would give this maybe a 7, 8-ish. Some really nice products in there I'm excited to try. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Bye for now.